Hello friends, in this video you will see what actually happens when you grow lemon seeds in a banana. This is a must-watch video for anyone who wants to try this new gardening technique. Welcome to Dr. Obi's garden. I've seen a couple videos where they try to grow lemon and other seeds in a finger of banana with interesting outcomes, but I had my doubts. I decided to try it out by setting up a simple experiment to compare lemon grown in banana versus lemon without banana. Let's check it out. I started by cutting the lemon, or in this case lime, open to extract the seeds. I then washed the seeds in water and removed all floating seeds. Next was to prepare the banana. I got 2 fingers of banana and used a screwdriver to poke holes in each banana. I divided the lemon seeds into 3 lots of 5 seeds each. I then placed 1 seed in each hole created in the banana and pushed them inside before covering with a little bit of river sand. After filling 2 5-kilogram polypropylene woven bags with garden soil, I buried 1 banana with the lemon seeds in the bag on the left. For the bag on the right, I planted 5 lemon seeds directly in the soil. Both bags were watered and kept in a partially shaded area for observation. The other remaining banana was kept on the kitchen counter. I checked on the experiment 25 days later. Interestingly, only 2 of the seeds planted without banana had germinated. However, even more surprising was the fact that none of the seeds placed in the banana had germinated. There was virtually no sign of plant life in this treatment. The banana with the lemon placed on the kitchen counter also produced disappointing results. The banana had dried up and become hard. I'm sure ants had probably eaten up most of the fruits inside. At this stage, we can say that growing lemon seeds in banana slows down germination. However, it was too early to write off the banana trick for growing lemon. After 30 days, I checked on the experiment again. The seedling of the lemon seeds that were planted without banana had grown a little taller, but the lemon seeds grown in the banana in the soil still didn't show any signs of germination. The banana seemed to have fully decomposed, and we can actually see the group left after it was broken down completely. At this point, I was curious to know what happened to the lemon seeds. Had they also decomposed? I dipped my finger in the soil and found the remnant of a decomposed seed. So now, lots of possible scenarios ran through my head. Could it be that the seeds placed in the banana were not viable? This could be true, especially since only 2 out of the 5 seeds planted directly had germinated. On the other hand, I used only seeds that had sunk to the bottom, so they were likely to be viable. I went ahead to check the banana that was placed on the counter. As seen previously, there was no sign of life in this banana. It only had become harder. Now I was curious to open it up to know what had happened to the seeds inside. Upon opening, I found out that the seeds were all intact but had become very dry. They didn't have any chance of germination. Now it was clear. There was no advantage from growing lemon seeds in a banana using these 2 methods. But there was still some doubt about the viability of the seeds used. So in order to be fully convinced about this outcome, I decided to observe the experiment for a few more days. If you are enjoying this video, toggle the like button to show your approval. Also, kindly share this so more people will benefit from it. and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. On day 40, something interesting and exciting happened when I checked the experiment one last time. You will see this in a bit. The seedlings of the lemon seeds sown directly had grown bigger and developed more leaves. This was expected. The exciting thing to me was when I checked the seeds planted in the banana in the soil. 2 of the seeds had finally germinated. What this means is that at least some of the seeds used in this treatment were viable, thereby clearing any doubts about viability of the seeds. So the reason why lemon seeds grown in banana takes longer to germinate is that the seeds need to absorb moisture or water in a process known as imbibition before they can germinate. Although there's some moisture or water in banana, the fruit also has lots of sugar, making the water unavailable to the seed. In addition, there may be enzymes in the banana fruit that inhibit germination. This is why the banana had to decompose before the seedlings could germinate. So in summary, we see that you can grow lemon seeds in the banana, but you are better off planting the seed directly or in a different way. I actually have a video on the best way to grow lemon seeds in a banana coming up. Check the video description for the link, or it will be one of the videos showing up at the end of this video. Stay tuned to see how I created the lemon seedlings in banana image. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, it's adios from this side.